Hello, I'm Dr. R. Vidhya, professor in the Department of AML, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. I'm going to present the overview of artificial intelligence and agents in this session. So let us start with introduction to AI. So we all know artificial intelligence is referring to systems or machines that will mimic human behavior or human intelligence to perform tasks and can iteratively improve themselves based on the information they collect. So we have this diagram is depicting the usage of artificial intelligence in various domains, various categories, and various fields. So it is used in predictive analytics, it is used in deep learning and machine learning. So another branch is from text to speech conversion and speech to text conversion. Another branch is used for image recognition, machine knowledge, and vision. So these are the different kinds of domains in which artificial intelligence is employed nowadays. So the first and foremost question which comes to our mind is why should we learn artificial intelligence? So nowadays, artificial intelligence is gaining higher end in almost all the applications in almost all the fields. So it is to build a lucrative career. Versatile nature of the AI makes it very interesting to learn. And it is the skill of the century, of course. So it enhances user experience. So based on all this, artificial intelligence is gaining a lot of importance nowadays. So whenever we talk about data, nowadays we have large amount of data which has to be efficiently and effectively managed, and artificial intelligence plays a vital role in this. It is used for complex decision making and it reduces a human effort to a larger extent. So we have lot of forms in which AI is manifested, and a few examples here are listed. That is, chatbots use AI to understand customer problems faster and provide more efficient answers. Nowadays, in most of the applications, you would have seen an AI-based chatbot, which is getting the queries from the customer, answers the customer queries, and solves the problem in minimum amount of time than the human manpower employed. Intelligent assistants use AI to pass critical information from large free text data sets to improve the scheduling. Recommendation engines can provide automated recommendations for TV shows based on users' viewing habits. So these are all the different sides in which we have seen AI is playing a vital role. Whenever I talk about the applications of artificial intelligence, as I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of fields, almost all domains uses AI nowadays for smart automation. The first one is automobile industry, where we have seen many self-driving vehicles where they employ AI for self-driving. We have a lot of AI usage in education, in gaming, healthcare, business, finance, government, and manufacturing industries. So whenever I talk about the types of AI, I have to talk about two types, which is weak AI and strong AI. Weak AI is like an AI agent which is designed to perform a single, simple, specific task. Whereas strong AI, in the name itself, it implies that it can be uh, modified to do multiple tasks at the same time and very complex tasks also. So I have shown you some real-time applications of AI. So Siri is one of the example, Google Assistant, Cortana, all these are the different applications of AI. Whenever I talk about AI, I should talk about the four approaches of AI. Okay, the approaches is like there are two main approaches, which is human performance and an ideal or wisdom performance, which is more logical. Okay, so in the case of thought process under human performance, I mean to say it's thinking humanly, and under behavior, it is acting humanly. Under ideal or wisdom performance, the thought process is thinking rationally, and behavior is acting rationally. So, acting humanly, we have these examples: natural language processing, knowledge representation, automated reasoning, and machine learning are the examples where acting humanly approach or the Turing test approach is followed. For thinking humanly, the cognitive modeling approach, we have three approaches: introspection, psychological experiments, and brain imaging. Coming for thinking rationally, the loss of thought approach, we have syllogisms, provides patterns for argument structures, yielding correct conclusions given correct premises. So, correct situations are given, it will lead to correct conclusions. Logic, it will govern the operation of the mind. Acting rationally, it's a rational agent approach. So, here, rational agent is the one that acts to achieve the best outcome. The two advantages of rational agent approach is it is more general than the laws of thought approach, and it is more amenable to scientific development. So here I have listed you some few activities based on the basics of AI. You can just go through. And coming to types of AI, we are categorizing into two main types. Okay. So type 1 and type 2. Under type 1, we have three categories: narrow AI, general AI, and strong AI. Under type 2, you have reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self awareness. Narrow AI, as I said earlier, it is to complete very specific action and it will not be able to independently learn. When it comes to general intelligence, this AI is designed to learn, think, and perform at similar levels equivalent to humans. Artificial superintelligence means the AI will be able to surpass the knowledge and capabilities of humans. Coming to reactive machine AI, AI is capable of responding to external stimuli in real time, unable to build memory or store information for future. Limited memory AI that can store knowledge and use it to learn and train for future tasks. Theory of mind AI that can sense and respond to human emotions, plus perform the tasks of limited memory machines. Coming to self aware AI, AI that can recognize others' emotions, plus it has some sense of self and human level intelligence, and this forms the final stage of AI. So, till now, narrow AI and part of general intelligence AI agents are being developed, but we have not reached the super intelligence level yet. All is it is in research progress only. So narrow AI, which is also called as ANI, artificial narrow intelligence or weak I, describes the AI tools designed to carry out single specific actions or commands. Okay, so they are built to serve and excel in one cognitive capability and cannot independently learn skills beyond its design. They often utilize any machine learning algorithms or neural network algorithms to complete that particular specified task. For instance, the natural language processing is a type of narrow AI because it can recognize and respond to voice commands and it cannot perform any other task beyond that. Some examples of narrow AI include image recognition software or self driving cars or even AI virtual assistants. Coming to artificial general intelligence, it's otherwise called as strong AI. It describes the AI that can learn, think, and perform a wide range of actions similar to humans. So they'll be able to perform multiple tasks just like humans. The goal of designing AI, which is general intelligence, will be able to create machines that are capable of performing multifunctional tasks and act as lifelike, equally intelligent assistants to humans in everyday life. Though still the work is in progress, the groundwork of artificial general intelligence could be built from technologies such as supercomputers, quantum hardware, and generative AI models like ChatGPT. Coming to super intelligence agent, artificial super intelligent ASI or super AI is a stuff of science fiction. It's theorized that once AI has reached the general intelligence level, it will soon learn at such a fast rate that its knowledge and capabilities will become stronger than that even of humankind. ASI would act as the backbone technology of completely self aware AI and other individualistic robots. Its concept is also what fuels the popular media trope of AI takeovers, but at this point, it's all speculation. As I said, it's still the research is in progress. Artificial superintelligence will become by far the most capable forms of intelligence on Earth, said Dave Rogedenmore, CEO of AI writing company Jasper. It will have the intelligence of human beings and will be exceedingly better at everything that we do. Coming to the next category, where reactive machine AI forms the first type. Reactive machines are just that, reactionary. That is, you give a stimuli and they respond. There is an action and the reaction. They can respond to immediate requests and tasks, but they aren't capable of strong memory or learning from past experience or improving their functionality through experiences. Additionally, reactive machines can only respond to a limited combination of inputs. Reactive machines are the most fundamental type of AI. In practice, reactive machines are useful for performing basic autonomous functions such as filtering spam from your email box or recommending items based on your shopping history. But beyond that, reactive AI can't build upon previous knowledge or perform more complex tasks. IBM Deep Blue, Netflix recommendation engine, or all comes under this reactive machine AI. Coming to limited memory AI, limited memory AI can store past data and use that data to make predictions. This means it actively builds its own limited short term knowledge base and performs tasks based on that knowledge. The core of limited memory AI is deep learning, which initiates the functions of neurons in the human brain. This allows a machine to absorb data from experiences and learn from them, helping it to improve the accuracy of its actions over time. Today, the limited memory model represents a majority of AI applications. It can be applied in a broad range of scenarios from smaller scale applications such as chatbots to self driving cars and other advanced use cases. So, limited memory AI, it can store certain information, and from that experience, it will be able to perform tasks. Coming to theory of mind AI, it refers to the concept of AI that can perceive and pick up on the emotions of others. The term is borrowed from psychology, describing humans' ability to read the emotions of others and predict future actions based on that information. Theory of mind hasn't been fully realized yet and stands as the next substantial milestone in AI's development. As I mentioned earlier, it is still the research is in progress. We have not reached the theory of mind AI yet, but we have conquered some limited AI, limited intelligence AI. Coming to self-aware AI, it describes artificial intelligence that possesses even the self-awareness, which is almost equal or even a bit higher than the human intelligence. So refer to as the AI point of singularity, self-aware AI is a stage beyond the theory of mind and is one of the ultimate goals in AI development. It's thought that once self-aware AI is reached, AI machines will be beyond our control because they will not only be able to sense the feelings of others, but will have a sense of self as well.